Solving linear equations. Let's start off by identifying the slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, with m being the slope and b being the y-intercept. Here's an example to the right. What are the slope and y-intercepts of this graph? Y equals 5x minus 2. Compare it to the y equals mx plus b graph on the left. M equals 5 and the y-intercept equals negative 2. Creating and graphing linear equations. Here are some steps that you can follow to help you to create and graph linear equations. Number 1, read the problem statement carefully. Number 2, look for the information given and make a list of, or underline the known quantities. Number 3, determine which information tells you the rate of change or the slope, which is m. Look for the words such as every, per, or rate. Number 4, determine which information tells you the y-intercept or b. This could be an initial or starting value, a flat fee, or so forth. Number 5, substitute the slope and y-intercept into the linear equation formula y equals mx plus b. Number 6, set up the coordinate plane and identify the independent and dependent variables. Number 7, graph the equation by using the slope and y-intercept or by making a table of values. Solving linear equations. Continue. Problem 1. A taxi company in Atlanta charges $2.50 for a ride plus $2 for every mile driven. Write a graph, the equation that models the taxi company's total fees. Remember, number 1 is to read the problem. 2 is to determine the unknown quantities. 3 and 4 is to identify the slope and y-intercept. In this case, the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is $2.50. Number 5, substitute the slope and y-intercept into the equation y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And it gives you y equals 2x plus 2.50. Problem number 1. Continue. Part 6. Set up the coordinate plane and identify the independent and dependent variables. Number 7. Graph the equation using the slope and y-intercept. Plot the y-intercept first and then use the slope to find the second point. Your equation is y equals 2x plus 2.50. Or you can use your TI-83 calculators to graph the equation. In the given calculator, all you have to do is go to the y value and put in 2x plus 2.50 and it will give you your graph. Problem 2. Matthew receives a base weekly salary of $300 plus commission of $50 for each vacuum he sells. Write the graph of the equation that models his weekly earnings. So, identify the slope. The slope is 50x and the y-intercept is 300. Our equation is y equals 5x plus 300. Now remember, when you turn on your TI-83 calculator, all you have to do is hit the y equals button and put in y equals, put in 5x plus 300 and then click on graph. it will give you your graph.